Hi children, how are you? I hope you all good. Have you completed last class homework? Yes, look your answers. So first I gave here this AB, this line. This is called as diameter. Okay. Next DE. DE is called as chord. Next O. O is nothing but center. OC. Now OC. OC is called as radius. Okay, children. So those who written these four answers for correct for them, I am giving 2 stars. Okay, children. So these all I explained in the last class. Okay. Now in this you drawn here center, diameter, chord, radius. Now in one circle, how many we can draw these all we will check now. So what is the first part of a circle? The first part of a circle is center. So if you take this circle, for this circle how many centers you can draw? Yes, this is one. Can you draw other? No. Why? Because so from the center point, all points should be equidistant. If you take any other point at somewhere, then these are equidistant. No. So for this circle, we have to draw only one center. So circle has how many centers? Circle has only one center. Circle has one center. So what is the second part? The second part is called radius. Radius is nothing but from center to any point on the circle. Center to any point. For example, if you take point here, this is radius. In the same way, so in the circle you have so many points or not? Yes. So I am taking here one more point. So look here now. Here OA also radius and OB also radius. Now if I take one more, now look here, I took here point C. Now if I join O and C, is it radius or not? Yes. OC also radius. In the same way, on the circle you have so many points. So if you take one point, so like this, here one point, here one point, here one point, just join these all to O. So look here, so you drawn so many radius or not? Look here. So like this, if you join from O to any point on the circle, you will get so many radius, uncountable radius. Look here, I am drawing so many radius here. Just once a look. Look here, like this I drawn. See, in middle of these also we can draw so many radius or not? So from center to any point. So in middle also we can draw so many or not? Like this we can draw so many radi. So we can't count these all. So for that we are using in mathematics the term as infinite. So these all radius. The plural form of radius is radii. R-A-D-I-I. Radii. So how many radius you can draw for this? Uncountable means infinite radii. Children, already you know circle has one center. Now how many radii you can draw? Yes, infinite radii. So now look here children. So what is the third part? The third part is chord. Yes, chord is nothing but join any 2 points on the circle. So you can take from here one point and here one point. Join the 2 points. AB is chord. So like that you can take here one point and here one point. Join these two. CD also chord or not? In the same way we can draw chord. I am taking now any 2 points on the circle and I am drawing chords once you look. So look here children, these all chords are not. Yes. So this is also a chord, these also chord, these all are chords. So we can find how many these are. But any 2 points means you can take Here and here also, no? Here and here also, no? That is also chord or not? Yes? So look here, children. This is also a chord or not? Any 2 points on the circle. So here 1 point, here 1 point. So this is also a chord. So in the same way, we can draw so many chords or not? Yes? Can we find how many? No, we can draw so many chords like this. So like this we can draw so many chords. In middle also you can draw so many chords. Yes? So if that's why for the circle has chords also infinite. Now you have to write the circle has infinite chords. So how many chords you can draw? Infinite chords. Next part is diameter. Diameter is nothing but longest chord or the chord which passes through the center. So look here, is it center or not? So from this center the chord passes. Now I am drawing diameter. So look here, this is diameter. So the chord passes through the center. Okay. So now I am drawing one more. So look, this is another diameter. So like that you can draw so many diameters and it passes through this center. So we can draw like this. So we can draw the diameters like this and like this. So like this we can draw so many diameters. So I am drawing now. So here I drawn just some diameters. We can draw more. Yes. So in middle of these also. Here also you can draw one more. From here to here one more. So in this middle also we can draw so many diameters. So that's why diameters also infinite. Next part is arc. Okay, arc is nothing but part of a circle. So you can take any part. For example, look, I am taking from here to here. Look here to here. So look, this is the part I took. In the same way, you can draw from here to here to here. So like this, we can draw so many arcs or not. So like this, we can draw so many arcs. Yes. So that's why arcs also infinite. So how many arcs we can draw? Infinite arcs. So the next part is sector. Yes, sector is nothing but you have to draw two radius and you should join with that an arc. Okay. So look here, I am drawing. So look here, first I drawn here to here one radius. Again from here to here another radius. Now I join those two with an arc. Look, this is the arc. Okay, this one. This is the arc. So this portion is sector. So like this, how many? If you draw one more arc and one more radius, then this is also sector or not? This is also a sector only. So like that, here also we can draw or not? So in the same way, we can draw so many sectors. So sectors also infinite. Like this, still you can draw so many sectors. Children, you understood these all? So once again I am saying, so circle has how many centers? Circle has only one center. And how many radius? Infinite. Chords? Infinite chords. Infinite diameters. Infinite arcs. Infinite sectors. Only center is one. Remaining all these are infinite only. Children, you understood these all? Okay, very good. Your homework is circle has dash chords. Second one, circle has dash center. Third one, circle has dash arcs. Fourth one, circle has dash sectors. Okay, children, this is your homework.